Like, this is
welcome.
causing me actual physical pain.
Oh god. Hello, and welcome to Papyrus impersonation tutorials with Katie and Seth.
What? Oh wait, you were serious. Oh shit.
Okay, so this is not going to be a serious video by any stretch of the imagination, mainly because we are tired, probably. Tired, probably. Anyway.
Tired, definitely.
Tired, definitely, yeah. So, basically for Papyrus, if you've heard me do my Jimmy Casket voice, this is just kind of how I get to Papyrus. So, what I do is I go into Jimmy's voice, right? And then I give it a little bit of a British accent, but then I deepen it and give it a little nasal. And then sometimes I warm up by just going, yeah, yeah. So that's how I warm up for Papyrus. But really, Papyrus is not that hard, and he's a happy guy, so you always have to basically be yelling when you talk as him, but not exactly yelling. You just gotta be loud as all get out. So that's normal Papyrus, and I'm going to pass it over to Seth now.
Basically, in order to do underworld Papyrus, you have to deepen your voice slightly, give it a little bit of an accent. And then you just have to absolutely murder your throat. And that's basically it.
If you're not...
Don't forget to constantly sound angry and shout at everything. That's an important part as well. Ow. Oh, that actually really hurts.
Oh my god. And please do be warned, if you're not used to either of their voices, they can be very, very painful. Even normal Papyrus.
Especially this one, because oh my god, this hurts so badly.
Oh my god, Sans!
Sans!
I can't...
Pick up your fucking sock!
Sans, pick up your sock! So yes, that is voice impersonation tutorial. That's not serious by any stretch of the imagination. Thank you guys for watching.
Nope.
I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye, humans.
Nah.